everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I had promised you my empties from the Dior counter at Macy's, but when I got home today, this was in my mailbox. So I'm going to be unboxing my January 2019 BoxyCharm. So let me cut it open right here. For those of you that don't know, while I'm getting into this box, BoxyCharm is a $21 a month subscription, and it is monthly. They have just started a BoxyLuxe. I got my first BoxyLuxe last month. I gave a few of the items away as I didn't really like them or want them, but that helped me to save money. So what I like about this subscription is it really helps me. It's helped me to build my makeup collection, and you get 4 to 5 every month. I basically have gotten 5 full-size items. So let's get into it. Here she looks like this. She always comes packaged really well. And this month it's called Boxy and Chill. Oh, let me show you the card. Looks like this. It's kind of purple with clouds and looks almost unicorny-ish, kind of. I've got variation number 6. The card looks different this month. It's just a single page card. It does come with everything that's included in the box. So I'm just going to set that right there for right now. And I will go through every item as I get to it. First item I see is the eyeshadow palette by Tarte. It's the Rainforest of the Sea. I got volume number 3. It's nice blue packaging. Sorry for the little bit of a shine there. Let me move that. Let me open this up. I knew we were getting this. So it's nice, comes in a nice box. It gives you some information on how to do, oh, that was the Spanish side. It does give you an instructional information if you don't know how to apply makeup. It gives you a couple of different ways to use the palette. But it comes, look at this. Isn't this pretty? Sorry, it's shiny. It's got scallops on it. It's kind of bluish purple with a little bit of like dark maroon red. And then when I open it up, leaving the sheet, it looks like this. Has a really nice size mirror, and look at that, it's all nice browns and reds and looks really nice. Rainforest of the Sea. Let's see, what does it tell me? Tarte limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette, volume number 3. Dive into this vegan, crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective. I could definitely say they're all very reflective. I'll show that to you again. As you can see, it's kind of, you can't see it, but plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as a perfect transition shade. This blendable and long-wear formula is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants. Helps to hydrate and protect the lid. Normal cost is $36. So let's see. Well, I'll tell you right now, all these right here are the shimmer shades. This is the transitional normal shade. So let's dip into what shade you want. Let's see. I'm going to go into... how about Heat Wave? It's this red one right here. And then I'll do the transitional shade. And I'm going to go Malibu and Jewel. So there's the 4 right there. They're really pigmented from what I can see. And I'm going to go right like that. And you can't see them. All you can see is the Malibu one that I dipped into, which is this one. So that's not good, but that's all right. I'm sure I can build them up. So let's try this. Yeah, they're kind of buildable. We'll see what I can do with that, and I'll give you my full review on it after I use it. Oops, use it a couple times, but It looks like it's probably going to be a palette I'm going to have to use other shades with, as it's mostly all browns. So that's really good. The next item I see in here is by Jonte Bleu. It is, I've gotten an eyeliner pencil in, I think, my Ipsy, but this is what it looks like. This is in the shade, as you can see, 912 charcoal. So it is a brown. It's not a black like I normally get. And it is an actual pencil that you need to sharpen up. So let's see what this looks like. Put it on the back of my hand. I will say it does go on very smoothly. So we'll see how this continues to work. Like I said, I've got another one that is, I believe, almost the same shade. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, we're going to keep going on. Or what does it say? Charcoal eyeliner pencil. This is 100% vegan. It's waterproof. It glides on smooth for an elevated eye look. Use along the upper lash line or waterline, which is underneath. And this set retails for $5. So, I mean, it is reasonably priced, but anyway. Next item in here is by Briogeo, Don't Despair Repair. It is their Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. It's for your hair. It looks like this. It's in this little bottle. It looks more like a travel size than a full size. So I'm not too pleased that I didn't get a full size. Sorry. I didn't get a full size item. What does it say about this? Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strengthen and Moisture Leave-In Mask. It's 2 ounces. This super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner provides reparative, that's the word, reparative benefits and beyond. This unique formula of micro-encapsulated argan oil and an optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include vitamin B, coconut oil, algae extract, and biotin helps to promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. This one retails for $16. So far, I can tell you I'm not too happy with this box. Everything is very reasonably priced. I don't have any high-end item except for the Tarte palette. Okay. I mean, it smells like your normal hair care. I don't know if I'll be using this or not. Let me see. What are the ingredients? Water. Yeah, I can't read the ingredients. Anyway, let me put that on down here. The next item that I see in here is by Ofra. It is their long-lasting liquid lipstick in Havana Nights. It's a very dark, deep red. I was hoping I'd get to give this to my sister. I know she said she likes red, but this is a little on the dark side, so I'm assuming it's probably too dark for her. So I'm going to open this one and see what I can find out. This is a matte liquid lipstick. Delivers long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lips. The stunning pigment stays put all day with minimal transfer while maintaining a comfortable wear. Infused with vitamins A and antioxidants, your lips will look and feel healthy all day. This retails for $20. I'm sure my sister won't mind because I don't, like I said, I don't see her using this dark shade. I don't see me using, it's typical doe foot applicator. I don't see me using this shade either because it's a little dark for me. Let's see what we got. Yeah, just like I thought. It's a little on the dark side, but let's try it on and see what we get. Yeah. It's not too bad, but it's a little dark. People are going to be saying I'm wearing too much makeup again. It's not too bad. It's a little dark though. It's a little bit darker. I'm like messing up my face. It's a little bit darker than how I like to, and it's transferring all over the place. Granted, you saw me dip into my... So let's see if it dries down. I do have one last item. Oh, it's not closing. I don't know if this is their old packaging or if this is the new packaging, because I know Ofra recently just changed all of their packaging. Let me try and clean up my lip. This is really bad. I have a mirror down here, but I didn't put this on very good. I guess it's not too bad. If I blot it after using it, maybe it'll be fine. And then the last item that I knew we were going to be getting are these Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. I knew we were getting these, and they gave us 2 of them. And it says, Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. Nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 ml of skin-quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy, luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restore skin's health and radiance. These are valued at $24. So I've got 2 face masks that are $24 for 2 of them, from what I'm understanding here. And this is formulated, these sheet masks are formulated without mineral oil, parabens, synthetic fragrances, sulfates, detergents, phthalates. So far it sounds like I can actually use it. Let's look at the rest of the ingredients. Okay, synthetic fragrances, but if you look right here at the bottom, it says perfume / fragrance right there. Synthetic fragrance. So it does have a fragrance to it, so I'm hoping that it's not too strong, or else I won't be able to use them. So that's $24. This compact is $36, so 24 and 36. The 6 and 4 is 10. That's $60. That's $60. The Ofra lipstick is $20, so that's $80. The Jante Blue is $5. That's $85. And this is $16. So it's $95. $101. Is that right? I believe my math is correct. 5, 20, 25, 30, 36. And then the 36 and 24, that's 50, 60. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not too happy with this box, to be honest. To me, it's a dud. The only good thing out of it is the tart and the lipstick, in my opinion, because I'm not sure I'm going to even be able to use the sheet mask and everything. I mean, this, I'm glad it's not black, but I got this in an Ipsy bag once, so it's not like it's, I don't know. So we'll see. I'll do a review of all these products and we'll see what happens. And let's check my lipstick. Let's see the lipstick on my hand. Is it still... No, it's bleeding. So yeah, no. It's bleeding all over my hand. So yeah, the lipstick is probably going to be a no-go for me too. Maybe as a topper over something else. I don't know. We'll see what I can get it to do, but I'm not happy with that. Maybe it's not totally dried down yet, but we'll see. Anyway, that's it for this box. I did get variation number 6. It's right here at the bottom of the card, number 6. And this month, there is a free gift with purchase of $75 or more on your first order at Tatcha.com using the code BOXY19, and it's valid right now through the beginning of February. So maybe if you want to go out there, and right there's my code if you want to take a screenshot. But if you want to get something for Valentine's Day, Tatcha is a very good brand. It is in Sephora. I don't know if it's over at Ulta, which is right next door. But anyway, I hope you all are having a great evening, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye, everybody.